Today, we'll be installing MaxLite's Enhanced Canopy garage fixture. As always, begin by turning off the electrical power at the fuse or circuit breaker box. Once you've unboxed your Enhanced Canopy garage fixture, the first step is to remove the junction box mounting plate. To do that, we'll take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the screw securing the plate to the fixture. Be sure to keep track of the screw, as we'll be needing it later. Next, we'll detach the plate by lifting it up from the fixture and pulling the ring out from the clip. Now, we'll bring the detached plate up to the junction box it will be mounted to. Here, we'll want to make sure that the clip is in front for easy access. Continue by aligning the holes in the plate with the threaded holes on the junction box and secure it in place with screws. Next, we'll take our fixture and reattach the ring onto the mounting plate's clip. The fixture is now hanging down from the mounting plate and ready to be wired. Make your connections using wire nuts or Wagos. Now, it's time to tuck the wire connections up inside the junction box so that we can mount the fixture to the plate. Push the fixture back up and connect it to the clip by pushing it forward. From here, we're going to replace the screw we took out at the beginning and use it to secure the fixture onto the mounting plate. The installation is now complete, so let's restore the power and see if everything is working properly. Looks good. While we could stop here, let's continue by installing one of our C-Max controls. You'll want to make sure you have a 5mm Allen wrench handy for these next few steps. Begin by opening the fixture. To do this, loosen the screw holding the lens onto the fixture's housing. Make sure to hold the lens as you do this, and gently lower it down on the hinges. Take note of the white bracket. This is where the C-Max sensor will be installed. We'll start by removing the silicone grommets from both the receptacle and the screw hole inside the white C-Max bracket. Now, we can take the C-Max sensor and snap it into place. Listen for the click to be sure it's installed correctly. With the screw hole on the sensor aligned with the one on the bracket, use a 2.5mm Allen wrench to secure it in place with the included screw. Finish up by closing the door and tightening the housing screw with a 5mm Allen wrench to seal the fixture up. For surface conduit connections, the Enhanced Canopy garage fixture offers a patent-pending, labor-saving design which allows access to the internal conduit holes via one screw in about 10 seconds. This is significantly faster and easier than conventional designs that require disassembling and reassembling the fixture. Once you've installed the fixture onto your preferred surface, you can use either one of the side knockout holes for this method. Start by removing your chosen knockout plug by using a larger Phillips head or flathead screwdriver. You can now use the knockout hole to bring the conduit with your input wires into the fixture. Like we did previously, use a 5mm Allen wrench to loosen the screw holding the lens onto the housing and open it up. Now, you can pull your supply wires from the side conduit through and make the necessary connections before sealing the housing back up. The final installation method is pendant mount. To help make pendant mount applications easier for installation, all Enhanced Canopy garage fixtures come with 18-inch leads standard instead of the industry standard 6 inches. Start by taking your input wires and remove the zip ties holding them together, as well as the sticker. Now that the wires are free, you'll carefully remove the grommet from the fixture. We'll want to gently pull each individual wire out of the grommet to avoid damaging the connections. Discard the grommet and take note of the 3/4 NPT threaded hole. From here, you'll take your own pipe, run the wires through it, and finish up by threading it into the fixture. That's it! We hope you found this video helpful, and encourage you to visit MaxLite.com for more information. Thanks for watching!